This is your IELTS speaking test taking place Shohoz IELTS. I'm your examiner Mohammad Fazl Rabbi. May I have your full name, please?
My full name is Rizal Karim Riyad. As my family name, you can call me Riyad.
Riyad. Riyad, what do you do? Are you a student or do you do any kind of job?
No, basically now I am not doing anything, but I'm doing just preparing my IELTS course. Recently I have uh, done my honors degree, and in future I would like to go.
So, as you have finished your graduation, may I know what was the subject?
My
You have-
major subject was political science.
Political science. Why did you take that subject?
I was a student of humanities in HSC level. After that, I prepared for university exam. After that, when I gave the university admission exam, I took many other subjects as well as English or history. Also in sociology, then I get this subject from authority.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. So, what kind of snacks do you like to take when you get hungry?
It's probably a pasta because I love pasta so much. Whenever I uh, whenever I get hungry and I need some snacks, then I go to my kitchen and make pasta my own self with.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So, are you good at memorizing things?
I don't think I am good at memorizing things because sometimes I realize that I didn't realize some of things that I heard recently. So I think I don't good at the remember thing.
Thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna ask you another question for weather. What kind of weather do you like the most?
I am the winter person. I love the winter weather, cold weather most. I don't like the summery hot weather because of I am sweating too much. We know our Bangladesh is a 6 season country, all of that season, but I will like most winter.
Okay, that's all about the speaking test part 1. Moving on part 2. In this section, I'm gonna give you a cue card that describe a time when you saw a lot of plastic waste. You have 1 minute to take some notes and preparation with a pen and paper. Later on, you have to speak for 2 minutes. There you go. Well, so your 1 minute taking preparation time has been finished. Now you have 2 minutes to talk about the topic. Go on.
You asked me the question, a place where I saw so many plastic waste. It would be the riverside of Buriganga. It's near to my. It's not only near to my area. But I think it's close enough to see through my area. There is a Buriganga riverside dumping zone. Me and my some of friends going to a place to the side of this area. When we go over this road, we saw many types of plastics like plastic bags, plastic throwable things, also some nasty things. Then we realized that this is the so much ecological disaster place because we know plastic is very harmful our environment. Also we saw uh, many kinds of plants and many kinds of fish of in the river are died. Also there at the reach of this place there is a launch terminal. Also the throw-in things of from launch are basically plastics, plastic pipes, plastics bags. They are thrown into water, and also the oil and grease from launch and rivers, which is kind of a plastic things, are directly thrown into water. So it is a very harmful things for water. I used to see many kinds of fish when I was childhood in the river, but I don't see now them. Also, I remember there was a many kind of sweetwater dolphin in this river, but I don't see them now. All of this reason is the plastic and the disaster from throwing plastic things. in my area, we created a organization that uh, that aware people to not throw in plastic anywhere. Besides, we collect, we have a long group, those we collect the plastic things and uh, s- uh, throw into a specific dumping area, and there from government people take those, and so people and we do some work for empowering people.
Thank you so much. Thank you. That's all about speaking test part 2. Now we are moving on part 3. In this sections, I will be asking you a few questions which you need to answer. Do you think we should use plastic products?
I think I do. We should not do use the plastic water. Uh, if there are there are not any other option to use plastic, so if we should minimize our uses of plastics of products.
Thank you so much. How can we reduce our use of plastic?
There are so much innovation in our country that take the sites to avoiding plastics. We should purchasing them, and we encourage them to make more innovative things that could replace the plastics.
Thank you so much. What kinds of plastic waste are often seen in your country?
The most of the plastic things often seen in my country is plastic bags and plastic bottles. We seen everywhere. People just buy a beverage things, all or plastic bags, and throwing into outside. They don't realize how harmful it is for our environment.
Okay, why do people like to use plastic products?
Uh, Basically, I think people use plastic product because it's cheap in our country, and also is the money. It's also just hand nearby things that you can purchase.
Thank you so much. Thank you. That's all about speaking test part 3.